up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's dance tutorial, I will teach you the song, the choreography that I made to the song called, what is this? I forgot. Lucky Me by Chris Brown, okay? So let's go to the studio and start. Alright, here we go. We do 1-8 and 1-8 and 1-8. So open your legs, okay? Open your legs. So it goes like this and 1. Make sure you're still looking at your right hand. 1, look on 2. So the look up have count. 2, this 3, back 4, flip on 5, chest on 6, and 7, that 8. As simple as that. The beat also are very easy to catch. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. So this one is 3, 4, lip on 5, chest on 6, 7, and 8. Copy that? Next, so for this, you're gonna go away 1. Your weight on your right. Oh, your weight on your weight. Your weight on your right foot. So 1, recover on 2, up 3, 4. Step back 5. This one isolation 6. Open on set. Bend down on 8. Very good. So from here 6, 7, 8. 1, up on 2, 3, 4, step back on 5 and 6, down on 7 and 8. Let's do 2 8s from the beginning. This one. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Continue. This one is go back on 1, hold up on 2, chest 2. So this one is a bit tricky. I'll teach you the chest first. Chest and chest. So out and in. So basically the chest is like that and that. So 3, 4, you're gonna release this 5, 3, 4, right? 3, 4. 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4. So for this, 5, 6, then you're gonna go 7, release on 8. That's the count. Let's try it from here. So 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 4th 8, cross 1, 2, and 3. Head tilt to your right. And 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Go 7. And 8. So that's our 4, 8. By the way, this one is not like this. It's pull it. Pull. You go pull and pull. Ha, ha, and that. Okay? Let's try again from this one. Here. On the 30. 7, 8 side. 1, 2, chest. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Let's try from the top. 4 8s. Because the remaining choreography is super simple. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go down. 1, chest, 3, 4, and cross, cross, ha, ha. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and a 5, and a 6, down, 7, 8. Okay? Good job. So you end up 7 and 8. Okay? So it goes 1, 2, front, 3, 4. This one chest, chest. Then this is spray. So 5, 6, away on 7. This one goes from the neck and 8. Simple as that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and a 4, chest, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, this is simple, left, right, left. When you do the left side, your arms going swipe up like this. Cha, cha, ha. Go 5, 6, cross, 7, punch 8. Okay? Let's try continuously. From here, 7, 8, go 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, chest, hook, away, and a point, 1, and 2, 3, and up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's start from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chest and 7, 8. 1, 2, away. 4, go back. 5, 6, 7, down. 1, chest. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6. Away to the point and back. Ha, da, 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 and slide. 7, 8. We polish one more time on that one. One last 8. 2, 8. So end up here. So 6, 7, 8, jump 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So your legs is like this. Basically you have a frog leg. 6 because you're gonna close it. 7, 5, 6, lean back, 7 and 8. So basically like this. 7, 8, go 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Good job. On the last 8. 7, 8, 1. Slide 1, 2, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, and down on 4. Yes. So 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Watch my hand. 5, 6, front 7, turn 8, and finish with a smile. Yes, that's it. But before we do everything from the beginning, let's go from the last 8. So from here, 6, what's the last before this one? Let's try from here. 6, 7, and up. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and finish. Yes! That's all the choreography. Let's try from the beginning. 8, 8. Woo. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chest and 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Here we go. Up. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Slowly. 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chest. Turn. That's it. Woo! Let's try music. So much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.